Hi guys, welcome to Techie Tips, and in today's video I'm going to give you something slightly different. They're not laptop fixes or desktop fixes. I thought I'd give you a little rundown on my Caliburn Uwell vaping system. It's my favourite, it's the one I always use, and it's a beautiful device. I mean, I've spent in excess of £120 on various vaping systems. I've been vaping for about 18 months now. I've got things like this one, the Glint from Aspire. I still use this, but as you can see, it's quite heavy. It's quite cumbersome to put in your pocket. It really is heavy, and I don't like carrying this one around, so I tend to use it in the house. But if I'm out and about, then I will go for the Caliburn, because this device is just completely awesome. Let me show you what this is about. It literally fits in the palm of my hand easily. It can go in my top pocket, any pocket, go in my trouser pocket. It's so light you don't even know that you're carrying it. And what I really like about it is that it's a pod system, and I'll show you the pod system shortly. But it really is a great device, and it's my favourite, and as I said, it's the one that I use all the time. The flavour from the pods is awesome. You get a lot of cloud from it, and I think it cost me about £23 with 2 extra pods. So let me just show you how this works. So it's charging via USB. So you just get your USB, plug it in, and then you can plug this into a socket on the wall with an adapter, or plug it like I do into my PC or in my laptop. Simple to charge. When you're charging it, the light indicator, which is this one here, will go from red to blue to green, and it will stop flashing, and will be on permanent green when it's fully charged. So what we've got is we've got a pod system. So if I quickly show you now, if we just take off the top, so inside there you've got the 2 magnetic connectors which pulls the pod system and just sucks it down like so. It just drops in and it pulls it down. With some of them it kind of sucks it down, but there's a little gap, so you have to just press it down. This one works perfectly. It goes all the way down with the magnets, bump, and it's in. So how do you fill them? Quite simply, all you do is pull the black cap off like so, and then you have 2 filling holes, one here and one on the other side here, and you simply just fill these up to the top and pop the cap back on. Simple as that. Insert it into the device and you're ready to go. So how do you turn it on? Well, you simply just press the fire button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see it's flashing. And now with this, it's draw activated, so I can just literally draw on it. Or you can press the fire button. I don't know if you can hear that burning, yeah, but there is no need to press the fire button, because it activates on the draw of breath, which is the way I use it. And the flavour and the cloud from it is absolutely awesome. It really is. Cost me about £23 with the pod in it and an extra pod. Last me for well over 12 months. the pods themselves, depending on how often you use it. I've used these for up to 8 weeks on one pod. You can buy replacement pods, which are these Caliburn pods. They come in packs of 4, and I think it's about, I don't know, I think I pay about £9 for 4, and as I say, one pod can easily last you 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how you use it. So yeah, it's a great little device. It's my favourite. It's so light, it's so easy to use, and I highly recommend it. As I said, I've spent literally hundreds of pounds on devices, you know, such as this one. I'll probably do a little review on this one as well. But always go back to me trusted Caliburn from Uwell. A fantastic product, and yeah, if you're thinking of getting into vaping and you don't want to be building coils and messing with voltage variance and all the rest of it, this is just literally fill it up as per I showed you with the pod and vape it. You don't even have to press the button. And as you can see, there's absolutely loads of cloud, and the flavour's awesome. So there you go. That's the Caliburn from Uwell. Highly recommended. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Any comments, leave them in the description. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.